Do any of you know a good telephone man? You know, somebody to come in and if I'm going to move into a new location, he'll come in and lay out all the cabling and tell me which phone system I should be using and help me get it set up and help me get it programmed. Do you know a good telephone guy like that? I do. His name is Dwayne. He owns a company called Dutali. And Dutali's been doing this for a very, very long time. They're highly, highly recommended by everybody I've ever talked to that uses them. Incredible company, kind people. But if I didn't know Dwayne, if I didn't know about Dutali and I was moving into a new location, I would be faced with the chore, and I mean chore, of having to find a good telephone guy. Now that means I got to find some referrals, some references. I got to go online. I got to check out and see who's got good reviews and who doesn't have good reviews. I've got to vet them. You know, I've got to call them on the phone and see what they sound like on the phone, or possibly have a couple of them come in and sit down and talk. And then at some point I've got to make a decision, which means I've got to tell some people no. Some people even don't tell the people that didn't get the job no, and then they feel bad because they didn't let them know that they're not going to get the job. So there's this whole process. It's not very much fun. And then you actually make the hire. You actually say, okay, ABC Telephone Company, you've got the job. Come on in and do it. And then you've got the prospect that they don't do it very well. You get the prospect that maybe they overcharge you. You get the prospect that maybe they don't tell you all the things that you could have done if only they'd been a little better at what they do. Well, we've got an app now, and Dwayne's on it. Dutali is on this app. We've got this app that takes the 20 major categories of business and then breaks those down into about 140 subcategories of business, like phone installation or commercial insurance, or et cetera, et cetera. So it has all these subcategories, and you can go on this app, and all you got to do is go through, click major category, check the subcategory, and then immediately you've got a recommended resource, a verified resource that we've checked out that is going to do a great job for you. If you'd be interested in an app like that to take the guesswork and the hard work and the challenge out of the next person you need to hire as a supplier or a vendor, you can just get that app right now on Google Play. You can get it on Apple, and it's called the Inland Empire Suppliers app. You just look up Inland Empire Suppliers. All of the people recommended in this app are people that have their businesses in the Inland Empire and work in the Inland Empire. If that app sounds interesting to you, download it. Let me know what you think in the comments below.